Namaskar. Today we'll discuss the concept of scarcity definition, which has been analyzed by Professor Lionel Robbins. So, Professor Lionel Robbins has discussed the scarcity definition in his famous book, An Essay on Nature and Significance of Economic Science, which was published in 1932. And in his book, he has discussed his definition. So, what is this definition? The definition is that economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. Repeat again. Economics is a science. Economics is a science which studies human behavior. Economics studies the human behavior as a relationship between ends, E-N-D, ends means human wants, your wants, ends and scarce means your medium, or you can say that resources or funds. So, scarce means which have alternative uses, because we know that your scarce means have alternative uses. So, economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. In order to simplify this definition, we have some important points which will help us to discuss this definition in a simple manner. So, first point is that unlimited wants. Second is that limited funds. Third one is that alternative uses. So, have a look on the first point, that is known as unlimited wants. Human wants are unlimited, like waves in the ocean. You cannot count the waves in the ocean. If one wave is completed, another wave takes its place. Similarly, if one want is satisfied, human want. If you know that human wants are unlimited, like waves in the ocean. If one want is completed, or if one want is satisfied, another one takes its place. So, human being cannot count his wants, because his wants are uncountable. Second one is limited funds or resources. Human wants are unlimited, first point. Second point is that funds or resources are limited. So here funds or resources means all types of resources. You can say that natural resources, human resources, your funds are money, time, energy, etc. So limited funds or limited resources. Third one is that alternative uses. We know resources are limited, and all these limited resources have alternative uses, because with the help of 100 rupees you can buy medicine, you can buy rice, potatoes, or any kind of your assets. So here important problem arises, because if you have unlimited wants and unlimited funds, then there will be no problem. If you have limited funds and limited wants, then there will be no problem. The problem is that unlimited wants and limited funds. How can we satisfy our unlimited wants with the limited funds? That is a magic. And this magic is given by Professor Lionel Robbins. So this magic is that how to satisfy all these wants. You cannot satisfy all these wants simultaneously. That means we have to make a choice among different wants. The more urgent wants should be satisfied first, and less urgent wants should be satisfied later. This is the magic. We have different types of wants. There are some important wants, more urgent wants, there will be less urgent wants. The magic is given by Professor Lionel Robbins that the more urgent wants should be satisfied first, and less urgent ones should be satisfied later. So, by that means gradually we can satisfy all of our wants. Economics does not take into consideration about only problems. That means it doesn't concentrate on only economic problems. Rather, it provides the solutions. That means it gives the measures. That means it prescribes the measures, policy measures to solve these problems. And Professor Lionel Robbins has told that due to the scarcity nature, the economic problem arises. But modern economists have said that due to the abundance in nature, that means the abundance of goods and services, due to the overproduction, there may be the economic problem. That means there may be Great Depression. So, from the above analysis, it may be clear that your Robbins definition is superior than the earlier two definitions like Adam Smith's wealth definition and Alfred Marston's or welfare definition, because Robbins has told the two important truths, universal truths, such as unlimited ones and limited ones. Thank you so much.